Hi, from Piero, Technical Director of SecPoint. I'm here to introduce firmware 34.5 of the protector. Let's start with the new features in the area of mail processing. If we go to the email SMTP configuration page, we can see how we clarified in which part of the mail processing these settings are involved. In the description of the mail servers, we have clarified that the MX record should point to the protector's public IP in order to use the protector as an anti-spam and antivirus filter. On the other side, it has been clarified how to use the protector as a relay server for outgoing mail. A new picture now shows that it can be used as a relay server for mail coming from inside, which is typically the mail server of the domain under the protector, or for an external server. The latter case is when the protector is used by an ICT service provider and offered to customers as an anti-spam and relay server. So we can see here that we have configured our protector to receive mail for myprivatedomain.com and deliver it to our mail server, which is in the local area network, which is this case, and to receive mail for mycustomersdomain.com, which is a mail server located outside our local area network, which is this case. Of course, both servers have to be configured as allowed to send outgoing mail. Then, when we have configured our mail server, we have to be sure that the protector can send out mail, and here comes next feature, which is the possibility to define SMTP servers for mail going out of the protector. Each of these SMTP servers can have its port number, TLS support, and authentication credentials. The SMTP server is typically the one provided by your internet service provider, so you may only need to define the default one. But here you can also create alternate smart host relay servers, each one dedicated to one domain. To change these parameters, click on the target domain name, and in the edit page you can change the relay server's information, the use of TLS support, and the authentication parameters. If no authentication is necessary, you can leave these fields blank. Another enhancement can be found in a function that allows to block mail attachments. If you go to the anti-spam advanced file extensions page, you can see the rules that apply to block file attachments. Here we can see the name of the rule, the direction, the mail and domain for which the rule applies, and this flag, which means if the attachment is blocked or is not blocked. This function is divided into two parts. The main part is configured by default and contains the rules that apply to every domain. Extra rules can then be added to this list or to the advanced list, where it is also possible to specify domain and direction where the rule applies. Any rule can be changed by clicking on the rule name, and here in the page that opens, you can choose between the option File Extension, which blocks a particular file extension, or Regular Expression for more complex rules. The fields from, to, and mail or domain can be only changed in the advanced list. Another improvement is in the firewall profiles. Profiles allow to easily set up the firewall for the first time based on the customer's network environment and required security level. The firewall settings can then be changed as preferred. The firewall's restriction level is now visible in the list, and a new very restrictive profile has been added for an even higher security level. Last enhancement I want to talk about is the Esets antivirus. This is a very efficient antivirus which is used to scan incoming and outgoing mail. You can find it in the Antivirus setup page. This is a commercial antivirus engine which requires a license code to purchase separately from the producer. Once the license code has been obtained, you can go to the setup page and click on the Esets icon. Now a new page will open which allows to upload the license key file and enter username and password to register the antivirus engine for updates. When the file has been uploaded and the username and password have been entered, you can go to the main antivirus page and enable this antivirus. Well, it's all for now, but if you want to read more about this firmware, you may download the release notes document from our website. Thank you for watching this video and see you on next video from SecPoint. Bye bye.